How is everybody doing out there today? It's 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6/11/2020. Hey, guess what, Apollonauts? Big, huge stuff coming fast. The United Allied States announcement in basically the press release about Apollo being at the center of attention of their software for the military and the government. All coming in the next 24 to 48 hours, we hope, from what I can tell. And that's going to be exciting. Could be today, could be tomorrow, and we'll have to keep our fingers crossed. That is awesome. Steve was working with them all day yesterday. You've got also the social ecosystem is basically part one is very close to coming out with Twitter. And you've got the Instagram and YouTube. Those are coming out pretty fast. I got to clarify the Twitter one, but I know the YouTube and Instagram, and of course you're going to have the Knox Global, which is just a lot like Coinbase. They're right there on the initial launch, and then the rest will be coming down the road a little bit. So you got that. Of course, you got the Gold Ink game coming, the beta form coming. And if you signed up for it, you should sign up for it. If you haven't, and that's available on Twitter. If you go to Gold Ink's username or the Sapphire Studios, get it there. Okay, I'm going to include that in my description from now on. I'll do it today if I get a chance. If not, just check out those Twitter ones. Okay, then you've got also a Coinbase piece that was put out that everybody's racking it from the Apollo world. Is exploring the addition of 18 new digital assets. Okay, some are not. We will evaluate. Well, anyway, these you see here, right? Apollonauts are racking them in comments, saying, come on now, pay attention. And boom, as you can see here, Ralph Potter, Mac, must have, all in one. Get it, get it, get it. CJ, keep going down the list. Hey, Mac, twice. All right, good. Oh, Mac, 3 times. Holy shit. They're probably saying, hey, he's spamming. Anyway, you got to tell Mac, you're killing it. So anyway, tons of posts, and from a lot of different people. Apollo, all the way down. This is just a killer. There's Mark, Seamus. There you go. Everybody just kick it. So if you get a chance, hit them. This will be posted on the description down below first, so you can tweet away. Okay, so you've got a lot coming for Apollo, and it's going to be breaking news from me coming shortly. The GSX CDE with my discount code is going to be basically available as soon as the United Allied States announces. Shortly after that, that sale starts. And let me show you this too. You've got in the pictures here, Gary Browning puts out some good stuff. My designers put out some great stuff. In combination, my crew, along with Gary's stuff and a few others, Crypto World, you get a lot of good productions out there for Apollo. And this one was done up just recently by my crew. Then also here's a screenshot of the Instagram style, full functionality, cloud feed piece coming in the social ec for that. And this is going to be a rush. This is going to be added to the aplfintech.com, and you're going to see so much coming in the short term. Gary's photo, beautiful. Loved it when I saw it, and of course I had to use it. And I'll show you what I mean. In this video that we just made, check it out. That code of UD3015, UD3015 is my discount code for the CDE sale. And that referral link is going to be posted down below when that starts. Okay, which will link you right to the GSX CDE website. Now, I have seen the final version of the informational video that's going to be on the site. I had mentioned about a week ago, 10 days ago, that I had basically seen the video, but there was more work they're going to be doing on a bunch of other stuff. They were doing a new voiceover on it and some other stuff. And I saw the upgraded version of it today. Beautiful. Kick butt. And when you see this, you will have a hard time not investing in the GSX, because it basically perfectly pinpoints the advantages of this coin and what it has for, not guaranteed, but you could say guaranteed profit, but it is so much of a good layout of gold reinvesting, property reinvesting into the coin, and profit reinvesting into the coin. Yeah, it has ultimate possibilities, and you'll be able to view it on a open source platform. So all of that is coming real soon. Let's get over to the market real fast. You've got BTC at 96.17, just dropped a little bit there. Going down in the last 24 hours, and down 1.36. Just approached 10K and then dropped. So you've got there ETH 241 and XRP at 19.7, so down a bit right there. As you can see with the market, the way the market's been going, until Bitcoin goes on a big frickin' bull run, okay, you're not going to see much of good stuff on this daily, because it's profit selling. Profits, buy, sell. Okay, so then what you have for your good possibilities right now, with the Apollo FinTech doing what they're doing, and with Apollo Currency APL and the new GSX, you're going to have the most explosive growth right off the bat coming up shortly. And that's my personal opinion. But when you have the CBZ MOA press release coming out, joint press release with Apollo, for 20 million APL wallets, along with a commodity exchange for Zimbabwe, to change the fortunes of Zimbabwe. When you have a new country coming and announcing in basically Africa or that area, okay, that with the states joining in different states using the programs of Apollo, government, military. And there's going to be basically a share for both of these things. Gold standard currency hosted on Apollo's blockchain. Gold standard currency. The new country is going to be using a physical bill with 24-karat insert into the bill and top counterfeit protections. All that is coming shortly, for all the information coming to your fingertips. The UAS website, I will feature it step by step. It is a massive website. Tons of information in it of all the different departments, everything. It's border control, everything. So Apollo Currency and Apollo FinTech, what they're doing, crazy. More products are going to be added to this. The Knox, I should say the social echo, is going to be added to the site of the APLFintech.com. Okay, you've also got more news. Hackers move another 4 million worth of BTC stolen in Bitfinex of the 2016 attack. 5.1 million moved in 3 weeks. Idiots. China's state media takes aim at Binance. I warned them. It's not just me. They know it too. Binance knows. Being at the eyes of China, and you're so profitable, yeah, guess what? That's why they're thinking about Malta and doing all this other stuff. And people say, well, they're based out of Malta. But if you have offices in China, look out. Tesla, TSLA stock starts trading with 3% loss. Elon Musk announces volume production of semi-trucks. In the announcement of the volume production of the semi-trucks going to full volume production, that means that their battery issues, or the bottleneck battery issues, being solved. And that's good for Tesla. It's good for me. I own Tesla. I got to disclose it. I do own Tesla. Okay, Bitmain drama prolongs as SAC CEO forbids ASIC shipments. This drama is a drama. So that's unfortunate if you're into buying these mining machines. But I'll tell you one thing. Come to the future of Apollo. It's been going on for 2 years. forging free coins. Yeah, APL coins using Apollo's all-in-one wallet. So you download the wallet or open up a web wallet. Click that little plus button right there, and it takes you to opening up your own wallet. Save your passphrase and account number that you get from this, and then make sure you don't show it to anybody. Don't share it with anybody. That secret passphrase you get is something nobody should get. Best way to put that. Okay, so when you do that and you get into the wallet, over on the left-hand side here is the dashboard. Gives you everything. Over in the center, this is an old picture. The new one has the forging right in this area right here. Okay, so basically just push a button and start doing it after you have 1,000 coins in your balance. And the more coins you have, the better you have too, by the way. The more APL you get, the better forging you'll do. And that's just plain and simple the truth. And then with the 1,440 transactions have to go by once you start forging before you start seeing free coins. And this is something that goes pretty fast. Once you start it, the transactions go pretty quickly. And you are basically looking at Apollo right now with everything they have going on. They have the world's going to know Apollo. Why? Because of all this big world-breaking news. Yes, history-making news. And then they're going to find out about the 1 to 2 second speed of the blockchain. They're going to find out it's sharded, and nobody else has done it without an active database. And Apollo was first. They have the best devs in the world with the first bridge crew in the Ukraine joining in with the Apollo devs. They are the best devs, the most active on GitHub. They are working on a lot for this year and next already. With DEX. They got the DEX in the wall, excuse me. DEX all-in-one wallet right there, got the DEX, decentralized exchange. But DAG Consensus Protocol, they're working on that. ArcNet, Apollo Cloud, all that's being worked on. The light wallets for use in Zimbabwe. So many different things going on for Apollo. This is why 2+ years ago I decided to do a daily video on Apollo, because nobody else was doing it all in one. People were saying they couldn't do it, but I knew they'd already put it together, okay, with their all-in-one wallet. They did it before they even started distributing the coins. I can't even say, give me some water. Distribution of the coins. There was no ICO. It was a CDE. And they built it before they announced it and brought it out. And that's the way to do it. When I saw that that's the way they were doing it, and then they had the all-in-one, and they were cranking with their future plans, and then doing Apollo Africa and signing the partnership with the ADF Group. ADF Group is the most influential group in Africa, dealing with the governments and ministries of all the governments of the 54 nations, and they recommended Apollo to all the nations. And Apollo has initiatives in so many of the countries in Africa, and they talk to Egypt. Yeah, get ready, folks. The world's going to know Apollo. They're going to know all this stuff. And then you're going to get the publications talking and talking and talking. And if they don't talk about it, don't worry about it. Because world news, when it breaks about Zimbabwe, it's going to hit CNN. It's going to hit all the BBC and everything. You're going to see it all over the world news. And then you're going to hear more and more that way. And people are going to know Apollo that way. And then the big investors are going to dive in. So ladies and gentlemen, you're at sub-penny right now for Apollo currency, APL. I don't think that's going to be hanging down there much longer. I really don't. And when the GSX coin comes out, I think that while the CDE is going on, you're going to see it go up in value after you buy it. And that's a rush. This is the exciting times coming. So breaking news is coming. Sorry to have you stare at a static screen, but here we go. We're going out with a video. Everybody have a great one. And this video is going to stay for a while. Why? Because I like it.